Hey guys, welcome all of you to my brand new YouTube channel, Engineering Thoughts. Today, previously I was think about I don't explain well enough about how to do with materials in Revit, Autodesk Revit. So today I will going to explain how we apply and how to change the material type and which I was downloaded earlier and how to that material is applied to our project for like as our material. So nice look. Let's review. And before the all of that, we have to first make sure what which of type of our element is going to be changed. So it will happen to our staircase, so for our roof or wall or anything, it will be happen. So first I will select some I want to. I need to explain about this, so I select whatever wall in this project. I think big wall. So okay. So there is some text, some materials is always applied to the wall. So first I select the material. Then go to there is a left hand corner you can see the properties window. So according to that properties window, it will show about the whatever the word you can see. There's a name. I also before I was rename that as a duplicate main wall 9 thickness, that is included like that, main wall 9 thickness. So first you have to select the wall and go to in the project browser edit type. So after you have select the edit type, then you will bring another window like this. It has so many parameters is the construction, graphics, material and finishes, analytical of properties, so identity data. So all of that, prior to all of that, we have to consider there is we have to, this is what when we consider as a consider type of house, there is a board is a one part of that house. So it is a structure. So we have to go to so it is also indicated as 224. The function is exterior because we select the wall as a exterior. So I preferably I was included that like exterior wall. So first you have to go to as a parameter column, select the parameter column, structure and value column edit. So you have to select edit, press the edit, click the left of the mouse, and then you can go to another window like this. This is edit assembly. So there is a family name, basic code, like that, and as a function there is a table. So exterior side there is a table, there are columns, they are named as function, material, thickness, structure, material. So we have first select the structure. So this big common bracket. So first thickness is also 225. Yes, two big thickness box. So then then you will find the structure. So then click that structure. So then you can find some three dotted line here. Then click that three dotted box first. and they will bring to another dialog box, edit assembly, and again to the material browser. So there is a lot of material there. So Autodesk, they have given to us for a lot of materials, for like first, when the default one, it looks like as this. So first click the Autodesk material home, click the home button, and you can see another Autodesk materials, and also they will provide the AEC material. You can choose whatever you want. I chose first the AEC material. Then I was first, before the first, I was select the wall. Prior to this, prior to these all of the things, I was select the wall. There's a exterior wall. So I'm going to be searching like some masonry type of function. Masonry, it is good for wall. So there is a different kind of there is stone, natural solid, tile structure, like that. A lot of things. Before I would like to select this stone, natural, and there is like, so if you want to go to whatever you want, then go to which first you have to select the AEC or Autodesk material. Then they have given another type of ceramic, concrete, fabric, like that. Then you can choose whatever you want here. Then they will show you name of the such material, like this tile structure, so like that. Then there is a, I prior to all of these, I was selected as a exterior wall. So this is okay for that stone natural well, I might be okay. Then there is a when I the mouse is going to here, it will show us add materials to document. So click that button. Then here appearance, they will display the appearance, and you can also change the whatever the, if you think if you want to change the material shape, whatever, not a shape, is design. So in this jack rock wall, so in before the after the information tab, you can see a stone tab, whatever we firstly selected. So there is a matte one finish polish, like that. This exterior was, we can choose anyone, whatever you want. So then this is the path. The path means how this material is come. There is a also default Autodesk library for all the materials. When we install the Revit software, it is defaultly, it has included a lot of materials, masonry, like that, this glass. These all of these are the default material types, which are also included in this program. Select the masonry, stone, rubble, PNG. So then then we are they are taken for that path as the there's a lot of path. And if you want to get if you don't like this anyone, you can go to the whatever the Google and type it for whatever the basic wall materials, and take PNG files or JPG files and go to that path, whatever you have saved, also save, and select that path and open it. So then it will come to your design. So I will select this. I can go to identify graphics physical. There's a thermal. So thermal means how much thermal conductivity in the outer surface and the inner surface is also very useful for human beings who are living in the inside the house. Specific heat, density, emissivity, permeability also. Physical also, chemical information. We can change all of these to according to our project. So then all these parameters as well as the image also, whatever the looks like, it is when we see how it is looks like, we can change it. And the old things are okay, so correctly done, all things are correctly done. We can click the apply button and click OK, and then again OK, and again apply, and again OK. So you can see here, there is a something happening there because I was selected. I was prior to all of these. I was made a duplicate wall. That all walls, when I selected, these all walls are constructed, edited with this basic wall. When I was draw the walls in the first ground floor and the second floor and the third floor, walls are when I draw the walls, these I was selected. Prior to that, I was selected as this main wall basic 9. If you don't like, so you can select the older wall, select the old portion and edit, go to edit type, and you can also click that duplicate and you can change it. So main wall, whatever 9 thickness wall or 4 whatever, and you can separately you can get a separately kind of various color type, and it's a beautiful output for your design. So finally I want to tell you prior to, if you don't understand something in this video, you can go to my previous YouTube playlist and check whether I was linked in 2 or 3 4 videos. You can go there and you can play. You can easily get through it. So subscribe our channel and get all the notification. Also, don't hesitate to click the bell button, so get all the notification when we upload a video. You can get that notification. So